gang? It's Zane and welcome to Zane's Kitchen! It's Zane's Kitchen! Back at it again with another video. We're going to be making, drumroll please, Valentine Kabobs! Before we get started, let's go over Zane's Kitchen rules. Rule 1, always read the ingredients. Rule 2, always wash your hands. Rule 3, have fun! Alright, let's get into the ingredients, shall we? First, you're going to need marshmallows. Next, we have strawberries. Next, you'll need watermelon, of course. You'll need heart-shaped cookie cutters, small one and a medium-sized one. Lastly, you'll need skewer sticks. Now let's get into it, shall we? So, first you're going to use your cookie cutter to make 3 hearts with the watermelon. So, here we go. Voila! Push it through the heart. Put it to the side. Heart. We have room for one more. Now let's move on to our strawberry. Now we're going to do the same thing with our mini cookie cutter on the strawberry. Strawberries are a little stiffer than watermelons. You're going to pull the strawberry apart. Voila! The strawberry at the heart. Let's repeat this one more time. First, you're going to take your skewer, and I'm going to start with a watermelon heart. Now we're going to add a jumbo marshmallow. So you're going to take your jumbo marshmallow. And voila! Next, we're going to add our strawberry. Here we go. Now we're going to add another marshmallow. Next, we're going to add another watermelon. Now we're going to top it off with a strawberry heart. And voila! Valentine Kabob! Valentine Kabobs. Pretty simple, right? So before we go, let's do a tailgate shout out. Today's tailgate shout goes out to cool kids. For common cool kids, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Smash the like button, subscribe, show your friends, and I'll see you later, tailgate. Peace.